Hi, it's Kyle Chester-Marsden and welcome to our how-to series here at Fieldpiece Instruments. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the clamp ear holders on the Fieldpiece digital manifolds. Okay, so the first thing to mention is that replaceable clamp ears are only compatible with the SM382V and SM482V SMAN refrigerant manifold models. Now, right out of the box, the manifolds come with the clamp ears installed. However, these can be removed or replaced should this be needed or preferred. So to do so, we can turn the unit over and identify the two screws at the back of the device where the ears are secured. And we remove these just using a crosshead screwdriver. So once removed, the clamp ears can now be taken off and exchanged for either new clamp ears or blanking caps like these. The SMAN comes included with two clamp ears and two blanking caps, but these are also available as a spare part number RSM82E. By providing the blanking caps, this allows you to customize the product if you would prefer to have the manifold with the clamp ears removed. So to secure the new blanking caps or new ears back onto the manifold, it's simply a case of locating them into position and using the screws to secure them into place. So that's how to replace the clamp ear holders on the Fieldpiece SMAN manifolds. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more great videos.